how to use Binance for exchange or how to use Binance for trading. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the Binance app as a beginner. Well, Binance is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a wide range of features for trading, investing, and managing your digital assets. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to set up your account, navigate the app, and make your first trade. Binance user-friendly interface and robust security features makes it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced traders as well. Now, by following these simple steps, you can effectively get started with Binance. This ensures that you can begin trading and managing your cryptocurrencies with confidence. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your trading strategies is a good practice to ensure that you're always maximizing your potential returns. Now, here is the first step. The first thing is you can download and install the Binance app. You can go to the App Store or Google Play Store for Android or iOS. Now, you can simply search for Binance and download the official app and then open the app and allow necessary permissions. So you can open it up, allow necessary permissions. Now, to create an account, you can simply, once you open the app, you can tell about yourself. It'll ask you to choose whether you are new to crypto or I'm a crypto pro. So if you're new to crypto, you can type in I'm new to crypto and such. And then here you can see it'll ask you to log in simply. Now, there is no such thing as creating an account or such. You can simply, even if you don't have an account, you can enter in your phone number along with country code or without country code, it says. So either you want to sign up with phone number or you can enter in your email simply and then tap on next and go ahead and sign up, right? So I'll just log into one of my accounts here real quick. So once you're logged in, you'll have to verify your identity. Simply go to account and select your identification. Then follow the steps to verify your identity by providing the required documents such as passport or driver's license, and then wait for the verification process to be completed. If you're not verified, it will ask you to verify directly once you're logged in here. So you can see here create account and verification popping up here on the screen. Now the other step is to go ahead and deposit funds. Now you can see it's asking me for document verification, so I'll just cross this. So you can go to the wallet once you open up the app. So you can see deposit section here, but first you'll have to complete your verification. Since my verification is incomplete, I won't be able to show you, but I'll just be guiding you through. So you can go to the wallet section and select deposit, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, copy the deposit address or scan the QR code, and then send the cryptocurrency from your external wallet to this address. You can go to the market section and select the trading pair you want, example Bitcoin, USDT. Choose between limit market or stop limit orders. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell and confirm the trade. So you can see here you can buy or deposit as well. You'll get this here. Now you can enable two-factor authentication for added security. You can use a strong unique password for your Binance account and regularly update your security settings and be cautious of phishing attempts. Now this guide should help you get started with the Binance app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.